Method 1. Start a YouTube channel. Starting a YouTube channel is one of the easiest ways to get started in making money online, and you won't need any money. It does, however, take some time and effort. YouTube star PewDiePie earned $12 million in 2017 running a single YouTube channel. You too can be as successful. Starting a YouTube channel is great for people who love creating videos, talking about a video, shooting documentaries or short films. The skill sets needed are know how to create videos using software tools or record a video using a mobile phone or camcorder and making minor edits to videos. There are free tools and automation tools available, such as in video. Time required. You can start within minutes. Just visit youtube.com to create a channel and upload videos. You could have your first video up within an hour or two. Here are some tips for starting a YouTube channel. 1. Create a YouTube channel with a specific theme such as humor, tutorials, recipes, etc. If you love gadgets, you can create a gadget review channel where you review the latest gadgets and help people decide whether it's the right choice for them. 2. Analyze other videos related to your topic. See how many views those videos get. It will help you to get an overview of how many people are interested in your theme. 3. Generally, the more the views, the more beneficial the theme is, since more people are searching for it. 4. Check if there's any concept missing in the current existing videos related to your theme. You can cover these concepts in your future videos to fetch more views. 5. Be active and engage with your audience. Study the comments you get on your videos. Uncover the unknown or hidden expectations that your audience has from you. 6. Try to find out what they like about your videos and what they don't. Study which videos get the highest retention rate and try and understand the reasons behind them. 7. Research and study your competitors and try to model the things that are working for them. But never try to copy them. Always maintain your uniqueness and integrity. 8. Always try to improve each new video from the last one, so that when you look back at your first videos after a few weeks or months, you should think how bad you were earlier. That's a good sign. It shows that you've improved. 9. Experiment, experiment, and experiment. Never be worried about trying something new to see how it works. Experiments are the only way where you can find new and exciting stuff which can catapult you way ahead of your competitors. 10. Finally, collaborate with other YouTubers who are doing similar work. Learn their strategies and mindset. Working together can do wonders for your channel. 11. Remember, have fun doing this. Do the things that you love and enjoy your life. Now, let's get to how you can actually earn money on YouTube. 1. The general rule for earning in YouTube is straightforward. The more views your videos get, the more money you'll earn. When you have enough subscribers and watch hours, you can enable the Monetize option in your YouTube channel settings. It's very simple. 2. You can also monetize by adding affiliate links to your videos.